let me start the next question, which is the last question, and some numericals based on this particular question of the topic dual nature of radiation and matter. What is the question? On the basis of de Broglie hypothesis, obtain the relation for wavelength of an electron accelerated by the potential difference V. Now, students, let me recall the de Broglie wavelength. What is de Broglie wavelength formula was? H upon P. If you remember, de Broglie wavelength formula was H upon P. Okay, what is P called? P called momentum, linear momentum. What is the formula for linear momentum? Mass into velocity. What is M stands for? Mass of electron. And what is V small v stands for? This is capital V, students. What is small v stands for? Linear speed of electron. Okay, chalo. Let me just recall the formula for kinetic energy. If you remember, what is kinetic energy is given by half mv square. Okay, half mv square. And what is the kinetic energy? What is the formula when stopping potential are provided? You know that formula E into V. If you remember, already we had done in the last lecture. Okay, E into what? V. If you don't remember, remember this formula E into V, where E is a charge on electron. So students, what I will do in the next step, I will keep mv square in the left hand side. 2 I will shift into the right hand side. E into V. Okay, sure. So E into V I can write as what? E. Either you can say kinetic. Already you have written. The symbol for kinetic energy is what? E. Energy. E stands for energy. So what I have done, I shifted 2 over there. Okay. Then what I will do in the next step, I will multiply and divide, multiply by m. Multiply by m. But both the sides. Huh? So mv square multiply by m. 2ev multiply by m. Okay. So m into m square v square. Or here it will be what? 2m. And you can replace e into v by the letter capital E, because capital E is what? E into V. Okay. Now what I will do? I will take square root. So taking square root, if I take the square root, just observe over here, under root of m square v square and under root of what? 2 into m into E. Okay. So students, what is this? Because of root, square will get cancelled. M into V equals to what? Under root of 2m. I'm going to explain you again, don't worry, those who have joined late. So say this is what say number one, and already we know according to de Broglie's wavelength, according to de Broglie wavelength, okay, the formula already we know. Lambda is given by h upon p, and what is p stands for? Linear momentum, m into v. So students, final answer is what? H upon mv. Already we found the mv. What is the value of mv? Under root of 2 me. Understood, students? This is what final formula. Okay, this is a relation between, we can say, suppose if I don't want to write E, because actually question is what? We have to find the relation with capital V. So you can write as it is. You can replace 2m. What is capital E, students? Small e into V. Okay, small e into V. Understood, students? And one more thing I want to tell you. If I put a value of H, what is the value of H? Who will tell me the value of H? H is called Planck's constant. Okay, so let me put the value here. So just I will put the value of H. H is what? 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second, under root of 2 times of, what is mass of electron? Mass of electron is what? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 multiply by, what is charge on electron? Charge on electron is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, and multiply by what? This capital V. And if I simplify, no, I don't want to ask you to simplify, because it's a standard value. If I simplify, what I will get, 12.22. 12.22 upon under root of V angstrom. Okay, this is the value, this standard value. In your textbook, no, instead of 1.22, they provided a what? 1.22 somewhat. Okay, and they have provided in nanometer. At that time, they provided the answer in what? Nanometer. Remember this particular formula. If I remove this 10 raised to minus 9, that uh, unit will be what? Nanometer. And if I write 12.22, the unit will be what? 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And if I remove 10 raised to minus 10, what I will get in angstrom. This is the standard value. Okay. Just remember this particular derivation. Those who are joined late, don't worry, I will repeat this particular derivation. Let me complete the question. Now next numerical. An accelerated electron having potential difference 120 volt. 120 volt. Okay. The students, question is given, capital V is given 120 volt, and question is what? You have to find the de Broglie wavelength. So just apply the standard formula. What is the standard formula? 12.22 upon under root of V angstrom. Okay. So 12.22 upon under root of 120. How to find 120 ka under root? Just use logbook. Okay. And the answer will be in angstrom. Okay. Who will tell me the answer? 12.22 upon under root of 120. What up? Okay. Hope so you understood the numerical and the derivation. If you understood, say yes. Otherwise, say no. I will repeat it. Thank you very much.